Hello student, welcome back to another video excretory system of fishes. I am Dr. Aruna Chakravarti, Associate Professor of Zoology, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In vertebrates, the excretory and reproductive organs are morphologically interrelated because certain excretory ducts are used for the discharging of gametes also. So it has been convenient to treat them together as urinogenital system. In fishes, the association is restricted to the pseudocopulatory papilla through which both the excretory and generative products leave by a common vent. The association is more intimate in male than in female. Here, these systems are dealt separately as excretory and reproductive organs. The excretory organ consists of kidney, ureter, and urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is not homologous to that of higher vertebrates. Kidney of vertebrates are made up of nephrons or kidney tubules. In ancestral vertebrates, kidney possesses one nephron for each of those body segments that lay between the anterior and posterior end of the coelom. The nephron drains into the duct called Wolffian or archinephric duct located posterior to the cloaca. This sort of kidney is known as holonephros because it extends to the entire length of the body. The holonephros is found today in the larvae of certain cyclostomes but not in any adult. In fish and amphibians, the most anterior tubules have been lost. Some of the middle tubules are also associated with tests, and there is a concentration and multiplication of tubules posteriorly. Such a kidney is known as posterior kidney or opisthonephros. Generally in fishes, the tubules of the anterior region become functional in early life and are designated as pronephros, and the tubules present in the posterior region take up excretory function throughout life. This region of the functional tubule is known as mesonephros. There are great variation in the external structure of the kidney in fishes. The shape varies according to species. The kidney occupies dorsal position in the body cavity and is placed just ventral to the vertebral column. In teleost, the kidney is distinguished into head, trunk, region. Such distinction is clearly discernible in carps, but in other fishes the macroscopic differentiation into head and trunk kidney is not prominent. Head kidney is non-excretory and endocrine in function, whereas trunk kidney, that is posterior kidney, is excretory in nature. So the kidney of fishes are peculiar in comparison to other vertebrates. The head kidney is endocrine in nature. It has interrenal gland homologous to adrenal cortex of mammals. It has chromaffin cells also which are similar the adrenal medulla of mammals. In the kidneys are embedded yellow bodies called corpuscles of Stenius. It is endocrine in function. These bodies are visible macroscopically in some fishes, while in others they are intermingled in the kidney tissue. Head kidney is the site for the development of the blood. Both head and trunk kidney contain heterotrophic thyroid follicles. On the basis of morphology and distinction between head kidney and trunk kidney, according to Ogawa 1961, classified marine teleost kidney into 5 categories. In the first category, there is no clear demarcation between head and trunk kidney, and the two kidney are completely fused throughout. Example, rainbow, trout and salmon. In the second type, there is clear macroscopic demarcation between the head and trunk kidney. The middle and posterior portion are fused. From the middle fused part are given out two tube-like structure anteriorly, which are separate from each other, and at the tip of these tubes are present sac-like structure, the head kidney. Example, Cyprinidae and carps. In the third type, there is also a clear distinction between the head and trunk kidneys. The kidney is distinguished into head, trunk and tail portion. The tail kidney are fused while the trunk and head kidney are separated and are located at the tip of anterior most region. The head kidney is generally globular in shape. Example, Notopterus notopterus. In the fourth type, there is no morphological demarcation between head and trunk kidneys. The two kidneys are separate except at the posterior most region where the kidney are fused. In the fifth type, the two kidneys are separate from each other. The tail kidney are thin tube-like while the anterior trunk kidney are thick. There is no morphological distinction between head and trunk kidney. Regarding freshwater teleost, Ogawa 1961 suggested that kidneys can be grouped into first three of 5 types described above. Kidney of some Indian fishes. The kidney of Clarius batrachus are situated in the abdominal cavity. It is placed in the retroperitoneal position against the ventral aspects of the vertebral column and dorsal to the alimentary canal and the gonads. They are dark reddish brown in color and is covered by a thin transparent membrane. Trunk kidney are fused throughout their length. They are broadened anteriorly and become gradually narrow posteriorly. The head kidney are in the form of two triangular lobes which are separated from each other by a very narrow gap. They are not connected with the trunk kidney in the Clarius batrachus. The triangular head kidney is present in Channa marilius, Channa punctatus and Channa gachua. The apex of each lobe is pointed and placed anteriorly while the base is flat and posteriorly directed. The anterolateral side of the trunk kidney on either side is provided with rounded structure and are known as mesonephric lobes. Mesonephric lobes are also present in Heteropneustes fossilis. In Labiorhoeta, the kidneys are also paired structures. They are situated ventrally to the vertebral column. It is very clearly attached by the connective tissue. The peritoneal layer separates them. They are elongated structure which run from the vein and reach very close to the gills. They are reddish brown in color. The two kidneys are fused in the middle, forming a flattened wing-like middle portion of the trunk kidney. From this wing-like structure, two tube-like structures are given out anteriorly which are separate from each other. At the anterior end of this tube are present sac-like structure known as head kidney. The two head kidneys are separate. Posteriorly from the middle part of the trunk kidney, the kidney become narrow. This part is called as tail kidney. Externally, a depression is visible, which indicate that they are two structures. The tail kidney are also fused. The trunk kidneys are very big in comparison to the length of a fish. Dorsally, the trunk kidney shows several annulation, whereas ventrally it is smooth in outline. In Zenitodon, the trunk kidney in its anterior region shows ladder-like appearance. Ureter. The mesonephric duct or ureters lies close together in the middle line. Anteriorly they are separate. Posteriorly the two mesonephric ducts open separately into urinary bladder. In some species, a sac-like enlargement is clearly visible in the posterior region of the ureter. This is known as urinary bladder, but it is not homologous to that of higher vertebrates. The urinary bladder usually open to the exterior by a common urinogenital aperture in the male fish, but a separate urinary aperture is present in female fish as found in Mystus. Histology of trunk kidney. The trunk kidney or body kidney, like other vertebrates, contain renal tubules and interstitial lymphoid tissue. The number of renal tubules varies in different fishes. In teleost, the trunk kidney consists of nephrons, which is the functional unit of kidney is nephron. Each nephron consists of two parts, the renal corpuscle, that is Malpighian body, and the renal tubules, that is urinary tubules. The renal corpuscles or Bowman's capsule is double layer cup-like structure of uriniferous tubules which contain tuft of capillaries known as glomerulus. The remaining segment of urinary tubules, renal tubule, is divided into proximal convoluted segment which further divides into segment 1 and segment 2. The intermediate and distal segment. The distal segment is absent in marine fishes. The segment of Henle found in higher vertebrates is also absent in the fishes. The glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together constitute the renal or Malpighian capsule. It is the filtration apparatus of kidney. The glomerular capillaries, which are the vascular part of corpuscle, is the afferent arteriole which divides and form capillary loops. The loops reunite and leave the corpuscle as efferent arteriole. The renal corpuscle contains an additional group of cells known as mesangial cell. Mesangial cells are also present in the space between the loop of glomerular capillaries. They are most obviously present at the vascular stalk. The function of mesangial cells are not known, although experimental data show that they can remove large protein from the glomerular basal lamina. Augury 1982 reported the presence of juxtaglomerular cells in the wall of afferent arteriole. These cells contain secretory granules and are specialized muscular cells. They are the source of the hormone renin. Renin is the hormone active in increasing blood pressure in mammals. The juxtaglomerular apparatus is thought to provide feedback information for the control of glomerular filtration. The glomeruli of freshwater teleost are numerous and large in size. In marine teleost, glomeruli are reduced in size and number. In extreme cases, the glomeruli disappear completely from the kidney of some marine fishes. The example are seahorse, that is hippocampus, pipefish, that is syngnathus, and frogfish, that is Antennarius. And these fishes are called aglomerular fishes. The renal tubules are thin and short in the neck segment and consists of single layer of low epithelial cell with long cilia. The proximal convoluted segment 1 and segment 2 are provided with cuboidal epithelial cell. The nuclei are large, round and oval. The cytoplasm contains secretory granules. The intermediate segment is well developed in carp kidney but absent in several species of fishes. The distal convoluted segment could be distinguished because of coarse granule in the cytoplasm. The distal convoluted segment are absent in the kidney of marine fishes. The function of the ureter is to conduct urine up to urinary bladder. Histologically, it is made up externally by tunica adventitia and middle layer contain lamina propria and smooth muscles, and outermost layer is columnar epithelial cells. Urinary bladder is a thin-walled, sac-like structure. It is also made up of three layers similar to the ureter. Embryologically, the head kidney originates from pronephros. It is made up of lymphoid tissue containing reticular cells, that is supporting framework of lymphatic tissue, and numerous capillaries. The chromaffin tissue often show brown or dark brown pigment granules fixed in bichromate solution. The interrenal gland and chromaffin cells are present in the head kidney. The name interrenal body was adopted by Balfour in 1878 and since then commonly accepted. In Zenotodon, the interrenal body lies as a compact mass surrounded by a capsule of connective tissue. It lies at a short distance behind the septum transversum and is an elongated mass about twice the size of wheat grain. The cells are basophilic with large nuclei. The interrenal gland of fish is homologous to the adrenal cortex of mammals. In eel, that is Inguilla, the gland is located in the wall of the postcardinal vein running closely along the head kidneys. Chromaffin tissues are also present. This tissue is homologous to adrenal medulla of mammals. Both interrenal and chromaffin tissues are present in many fishes, either discrete structure or intermingle in the tissue. The histochemical examination of teleostean interrenal cells show 3-hydroxysteroid dehydrogenase and glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. These are important in biosynthesis of steroid hormones. The function of chromaffin cells is to secrete adrenaline and noradrenaline, whereas interrenal secretes corticosteroid. Cortisol is the main corticosteroid in teleos, but cortisone and corticosteroid are also produced by interrenal gland. Whether aldosterone is secreted by teleostean interrenal gland is not clear. The freshwater teleos have to excrete large amount of water which is taken through mouth. The urine of freshwater fishes contain creatine, unidentified nitrogenous compound, some of which are amino acid, little amount of urea and ammonia. The urine is copious and have very low in concentration of electrolytes. Urine contains nitrogen amounting to 2 to 25% of total nitrogen excreted by freshwater fishes. The bulk is removed out through gills as ammonia. Marine fishes produce scanty urine which contain calcium ion, magnesium ion, sulfate ion and phosphate ion. in addition to the creatinine and trimethylamine oxide, that is TMAO, are also excreted out. Ammonia, urea, and monovalent electrolytes, that is sodium ion and chloride ion, however, are excreted mainly through gills. Corpuscles of Stenius. The corpuscles of Stenius is small ductless gland, that is endocrine gland, situated partly or completely embedded in the kidney on its dorsal, dorsolateral and ventrolateral side. It was discovered by Stenius 1939, but it is recently considered that they are the subject of physiological interest, especially for their role in calcium metabolism. It is now established that corpuscles of Stenius work in conjunction with pituitary gland, which produces a distinct hypercalcemic effect to maintain a relatively constant level of calcium in fundulus heteroclithus. Adler and Freeman 1966 suggested that it is associated with steroidogenic activity, while Aguri 1966 reported that they are responsible in producing some hormone like polypeptide. Chester John 1969 were the opinion that they had pressure activities and help in electrolyte metabolism. They also suggested that corpuscle of Stenius might belong to renin-angiotensin system. The corpuscles of Stenius is situated near the middle portion of mesonephros in salmoid fishes and Althaninopsis calciforniensis, but in majority of fishes they are located in the posterior region of the kidney. There is a great variation regarding the number of corpuscles of Stenius in the kidney. They may be single in Heteropneustes, Notopteris, Lepidocephalictes, or maybe two in number, Lepidocephalictes, as described by Bose and Ahmad 1975. Histologically, the corpuscles of Stenius contain two types of cell, while other authors held that there is only one population of cells. Heterotropic thyroid follicle. The thyroid in fishes is not a discrete organ but fused in the kidney also. Hence, it is known as heterotropic. The thyroid follicles are scattered in the hemopoietic tissue of the head, mesonephric lobe, that is air breathing fishes, and in trunk kidneys. The follicular epithelium is visible and contain colloid, which is strongly repeated, acidophilic, dense, homogeneous, and non-vacuolated. An aggregation of a large number of follicles has been present at the junction where the postcardinal vein open. It appears that the thyroid follicles are migrating from the pharyngeal region to the kidney. They appear only after the fish becomes 2 months old. They are present in all parts of the kidney, but the highest concentration is near the cardinal vein. Thick and thin nerves, both myelinated as well as unmyelinated, are present close to the heterotropic thyroid follicles. Innervation. The kidney are richly innervated by autonomic nervous system. The nerves generally penetrate in the kidney through blood vessels. They divide and re-divide to form nerve plexus. Now hormones and enzyme. Renin is the hormone secreted from juxtaglomerular cells. The hormone is active in increasing blood pressure and control the glomerular filtrate. The cholinergic nerve ending secretes an enzyme, acetylcholine esterase, that is ACHE. The lower came in head kidneys indicates higher enzyme activity. Now blood supply of kidney. The kidney of fish receive blood supply by the renal artery and renal portal vein. The renal artery supplies blood to glomeruli where high blood pressure helps to separate glomerular filtrate. The renal portal vein are connected to the capillary network around the kidney. So thank you student. Thank you very much.